Good morning, class 12. My dear student, topic maxima and minima is continue. Exercise 6.5. Question number 22. Dear student, question is a wire of length 28 centimeter is to be cut into two pieces. There is a wire of length 28 centimeter is to be cut into two pieces. Let one part is x and other part is 28 minus x. One of the piece is to be made into a square. From this part we are making a square and the other into a circle, and from other part there is a circle. What should be the length of two pieces so that the combined area of the square and the circle is minimum? Dear student, let area of the square is A1 and area of the circle is A2. Then A1 plus A2, we have to prove it is minimum. We have to prove that A1 plus A2 is minimum. Dear student, let side of the square is A and radius of the circle is R. Then for perimeter of the square, that is equal to 4a and this 4a equal to x. So a equal to x upon 4 and circumference of the circle. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. This 2 pi r equal to 28 minus x. Therefore, radius of the circle r equal to 28 minus x upon 2 pi. So, from this we are getting the side of the square, and from this part we are getting the radius of the circle. Dear student, let combined area is A. So A equal to area of the circle is A square and area of the square is A square and area of circle is pi r square. Therefore, it is x upon 4 whole square plus 28 minus x upon 2 pi whole square into pi. This pi. Now, x square upon 16 plus 28 minus x whole square upon 4 pi square into pi. Here 1 pi is cancelled out. So, a becomes x square upon 16 plus 1 upon 4 pi into 28 minus x whole square. Dear student, now we will differentiate. So find first order derivative. This area is the function of x. So dA over dx 1 upon 16 into 2x plus 1 upon 4 pi into 2 into 28 minus x into 0 minus 1. 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16. So it is x upon 8 minus 28 minus x upon 2 pi. Dear student, first order derivative is 0. So we will get dA over dx equal to 0. From this, we will get x upon 8 plus x upon 2 pi equal to 14 upon pi. Now here 8 pi is the LCM, then it is x plus 4, x pi plus 4, x equal to 14 upon pi. Pi cancel and x is common. Pi plus 4 equal to 8 into 14. It is 126. So x equal to 126, 112, sorry. It is 112 upon pi plus 4. 14 8 is 112. This is the one part of the length of the wire. So other part, it is 28 minus x. It is the one part. Other part is 28 minus x. It is 28 minus 112 upon pi plus 4. Then pi plus 4 is common. It is 28 pi minus 112 plus minus 112 is cancelled. So other part is 28 pi other part is 28 pi upon pi plus 4. Now to check the area is minimum, let us find second order derivative. So d2a over dx square equal to 1 upon a, derivative of x is 1 plus 1 upon 2 pi into 1 minus this part is 0. Since it is positive, so area is minimum. Area A is minimum. This is the proof of the question. My dear student, next is question number 23. Dear student, question is, prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 upon 27 of the volume of the sphere. So here the volume of the largest cone. Here cone is inscribed in a sphere. Dear student, let there is a sphere of radius r. A cone is described here. Radius of the sphere is capital R. Dear student, ABC is the cone which is inscribed in a sphere of radius r. O is the center of the sphere. Now see the solution. Dear student, let it is the point P. Let OP equal to X. OP is X. Therefore, height of the cone. Height of the cone equal to R plus X. And radius of the cone. P is the center of the cone. Then BP, it is by Pythagoras, equal to root of R square minus X square, which is the radius of cone. Now, volume of the cone, which is pi into its radius BP square into height. Height is R plus X. It is the volume of cone. So V equal to pi. Its value is R square minus X square into R plus X. Now, this is the function of X. Here X is variable. Therefore, to find the maximum volume, we will differentiate. Differentiate it with respect to X. So, dV over dx, it is, we will apply the product rule here. Pi is a constant. There is a bracket. R square minus X square. Derivative of this part is 1 because derivative of X is 0 and derivative of R is 0 and X is 1 plus R plus X into 0 minus 2X. Here R is the constant. It is the radius of the given sphere. Now, we will factorize this. Pi into, it is R minus X into R plus X. Minus 2X into R plus X. Since R plus X is common, so it is R minus X minus 2X. From this, we will get value of R. It is R equal to 3X or X equal to R upon 3. X is the R upon 3. Now to check, this is maximum. Let us find the second order derivative. So d2b over dx square is pi as a constant, d over dx of, it is R plus X into R minus 3X. Now we will differentiate it. Pi. Apply the product rule. Derivative of R plus X is 1 into R minus 3X plus R plus X, its derivative 0 minus 3. Since R minus 3X is 0, so pi is 0 minus 3 into value of x is r upon 3. Since there is a negative, so it is second order derivative is negative. Hence, V is maximum. Volume is V is maximum. Dear student, to find the volume of cone, which is 8 upon 27 into volume of the sphere. So let us put the value of x in the volume of cone. It is pi by 3 r square minus x is r upon 3. So it is r square upon 9 into r plus r upon 3. It is pi by 3 into, it is 8 r square upon 9 into 4 pi by 3. Dear student, 4 pi 3 pi r cube. It is the volume of sphere. Then 8 upon 27. 9 is 27. Then 4 pi by 3 into r cube, which is the volume of sphere. So result is 8 upon 27 into volume of sphere. Hence, proof, and we have already checked this volume is maximum.